So hello everyone, very good evening to all. Welcome to the India's most comprehensive live learning platform BYJU'S exam prep. Welcome guys. So how are you all? Is the audio and video clear to all? Kindly comment in the chat section and let me know everyone. Is the audio and video clear to all? So in the today's session guys, we are going to be discussing about the top 25 M.Tech colleges and their placement records. Welcome guys, welcome, very good evening. Himant, welcome. So join fast, quick everyone, we are about to start. I'll wait for another 1 to 2 minutes and we'll start then. So first of all, let me know by commenting in the chat section all those who have joined. I would like to know the names of the students, all those who have joined. This is going to be a multi-branch session. Okay, I am taking all the branches. Okay, mechanical, computer science, civil, electronics. Okay, electrical, instrumentation. Welcome, welcome. Naga Fanikumar, welcome. Venkat, welcome. So how are you all? So now you are done with your GATE examination and engineering services examination, and now the next step is to select your M.Tech colleges. See, now it is not selecting an M.Tech colleges is not just because that you want to do an M.Tech. Sometimes there is a delay in the process. Okay, you may be opting for a job. Okay, you may be opting for a PSU, or if you sincerely want to go for an M.Tech, then very good. But even if you are not opting for an M.Tech, even if you do not want to do an M.Tech, still this is the next step for you. Why? Because a lot of students, since I am from a civil engineering branch and I also know about electrical branches also, another also, I see a lot of students, they opt for M.Tech, they go for M.Tech, and they leave in between once they get a job. Okay, so this is like a security for you guys. This is like a second option for you guys. Even if the job is delayed, still you are going to get an M.Tech. There are a lot of my students who have completed an M.Tech also and got a job afterwards. So the process was around a duration of 1.5 to 2 years, and in that meanwhile they were able to complete the M.Tech and they joined the job with an M.Tech degree. So you will also be able to explain that you were not sitting vacant during that period of time. Okay, otherwise if you do not do an M.Tech, your gap will increase, your preparation gap will increase, and this is going to be helpful for you that as well. Welcome everyone, welcome, join fast. So first of all, like and subscribe to our channel. Okay, with this you will get all the latest notifications that we are coming up with, all the important sessions that we are coming up with. Do press the bell icon so you will get the notifications as well. Starting guys. So firstly I will introduce myself everyone. All right, so my name is Rohan Goyal and I have a master's degree in structural engineering from IIT Bangalore, and I have a all India rank of 96 in GATE 2022, and prior to that I have an all India rank of 366 in GATE 2016. I've been teaching these subjects at BYJU'S, and other than these other subjects as well. So you can also join my Telegram channel, in which I keep on updating recent notifications that are coming. Okay, all the important concepts. Okay, daily questions also I am uploading over there. So you can also join this channel as well to get all the important PDF notes that I am taking right now. So this also is going to be uploaded on the channel as well. Okay, so you can join my Telegram channel, Civil by Rohan Goyal. You have to search Civil by Rohan Goyal. this is going to be for all the branches. This is a common session for all the branches. Okay, this is not just about the civil. So in order to clarify that, we will take civil afterwards. Earlier I was thinking that I will take civil first, but now I am planning to take civil afterwards. All right. So let us first of all start with computer science, right? So since computer science students are most interested in M.Tech, right? The reason behind that is that M.Tech colleges, like these colleges, they offer very attractive packages, right? This is the preference of the colleges. This is the preferences of the colleges in the descending order. Okay, so the most preferred colleges is IISc Bangalore. So IISc Bangalore is good for both the students who have wanted to go for a job also, and if you have a research orientation also, then also this is a very good college for computer science students, right? So IISc Bangalore and in terms of placement, these both colleges offer a similar kind of average packages. Okay, so when I was there, the students with me who were studying in IISc Bangalore from computer science, all that I remember is they are getting an average package of 22 lakh. Right, so similar is the case with IIT Bombay, and little bit difference is there in IIT Madras. Over here a little less opportunities there, but not bad. That it is also gives a very narrow differences there. Okay, in IIT Madras, IIT Delhi, IIT Kanpur, Kharagpur. So there is not too much of a difference in the placement wise. Okay, curricular, all the faculties, all the courses are of equal level. Okay. So here are the cutoffs for IISc Bangalore. Okay, for computer science. See, all the top ranks, they are taken by the IISc Bangalore. Okay, so it is having a maximum score of 1000, and the interview call starts at 894. Okay, so these are for the different categories. Okay, so whatever seems important to you, you can take a screenshot. Then over here for IIT Bombay, you can see the cutoffs for general category, OBC category, SC, ST and PH. Okay, so 812 for computer science engineering. So I am only taking the core branches over here. Okay, I am not taking the interdisciplinary branches, because for that we will have another separate session for that. If you want to know in detail what are all the other disciplinaries, the interdisciplinaries that you can opt for. So these are that are going to be very specific in nature, right? IIT Kharagpur. So if you want to go into research, okay, my preference would be IISc Bangalore. Okay, although if in case you are not getting IISc Bangalore, then IIT Kharagpur is also a very good. See, if in case Kharagpur is near to you, okay, if you are a person who is staying near IIT Kharagpur, in that case you may be more inclined towards IIT Kharagpur. So it is not like that the facilities are not over there also. Okay, facilities are good over there also. Everything is very top class over there also. Okay, but the question is that which is the best over here. So I am telling you the best. IIT Kharagpur is also very good, but it is not the best, right? Next for IIT Delhi. Okay, these are the cutoffs. Okay, for general OBC category, and over here they offer computer technology, which is common to you can IT, CS, EC and EE. Okay, anyone can opt for this course over here. Okay, next, so for IIT Kanpur, these are the cutoffs. Okay, 755 gate score. Okay, for general category, and then IIT Kharagpur 781, so you can see over here. And then moving on to the electronics, electrical, and let us first of all take, I hope that civil students are also there, so we will first we will take on for civil. All right, so since I have skipped civil, so I don't want to make them sad that sir has skipped civil, so that is why I am coming back to civil again. Okay, so civil students, so if you want to go for placements, if you want to go into the work into industry, okay, although for civil students M.Tech is like if you want to specifically work in a specific field, then only you should go for an M.Tech. Otherwise, if you only want placement, then other government jobs, they offer better packages. Okay, over here in these IITs and IIC, you will get an average package of like 6 lakh per annum. Okay, the progress in civil and mechanical common. Okay, the initial package will be less. But with the time, your growth is exponential. Okay, you have to struggle for like 10 to 12 years, and after that your growth will be exponential, right? So that is why it requires a lot of patience. If you are really interested in any of the particular field, like you are really interested in geotechnical engineering, you are really interested in ocean engineering, if you are really interested into structure engineering, then only you should go for this. IISc Bangalore, if I talk about in IISc Bangalore, okay, there is no their focus is not into placement. Their focus is only in research. Okay, if I for civil and mechanical students, their focus is more towards the research. They are not interested in getting students placed. Okay, so their courses are also of the similar fashion. They are more research oriented courses. Okay, whereas in the IITs you will find more industry related courses. Okay, design related, steel design. In IISc Bangalore, I did M.Tech and I have not studied steel design over there. There is not even a single course that was offered over there. So like that, if you are more towards the research, then you should go towards IISc Bangalore. If you are more towards your job, industrial job, then you should go towards IITs, right? And this is the cutoff for IISc Bangalore. This is a common cutoff. In IISc Bangalore, for first semester is common for all the students. Okay, for if you there are 3 courses which are offered. One is M.Tech, okay, another is MS, which is M.Tech research, and another is dual degree. M.Tech you will get direct admission, 100% gate score, you will get admission. MS they will take an interview also, 70-30 ratio is there, and for research also they will take an interview. Dual degree, okay, it is a 5-year course, and in that if you opt for a dual degree also, in which you will get a PhD. Okay, if in case in between you change your mind and you do not want to continue with your PhD, you can also be awarded with the MS degree. Okay, and you can leave in between also. So this is a cutoff. This is a general cutoff. Okay, so first semester is common for all. After first semester, in the second semester, specializations are allotted based upon your gate score, based upon your first semester marks. All right. So these are your cutoffs for IISc Bangalore. Then in IIT Bombay, you will find that the structural engineering is in the most demand. Structural engineering is having the maximum demand. After structure, it is having the highest cutoff of all. And this is a general trend which is followed in all the IITs. After structure, construction, technology and management. Then you have your geotechnical. Okay, geotechnical will come for transportation. Over here, transportation has a higher cutoff. Transportation gives a better placement opportunities at IIT Bombay. Geotechnical will come next. Okay, geotechnical, there are very few good companies. Okay, there are very few good companies in geotechnical who work in core geotechnical work. So IIT Bombay offers those companies, they come for placement in IIT Bombay. And then we have water resource, ocean engineering and remote sensing. Ocean engineering is offered in very few IITs. All right. So moving on. This is the data for IIT Delhi. All this data has been collected by RTI, which are filed by BYJU'S exam prep. Okay, so in this you will see that IIT Delhi has given very off numbers, so we cannot judge anything from here. So the pattern of M.Tech degree in IIT Delhi is similar to that of the IIT Bombay, but over here the students will have more inclination, those who wants to do further preparation for either engineering services or civil services examination. Okay, so more students are inclined towards this college. This does not mean that the curricular is easy over here. Okay, if you talk about, if you want to do further preparation, first of all, IIC is not at all good for you. IIC has a very rough curriculum. Okay, they are going to not let you rest for a single day. Okay, there is going to be a lot of assignments and a lot of work over there. Talking about IITs, over there you will find a little bit time, you will able to get a little bit of time for preparation as well. Okay, so IIT Delhi is like a hotspot for the students who want to opt for, they want to go for further, they want to study, prepare for the competitive exams, right? And similarly for the IIT Kanpur, you can see IIT Kanpur, you can see the your structure engineering is of having the maximum cutoff. Then it comes infrastructure engineering, then your transportation engineering, water resource, then environmental engineering. See, nowadays environmental engineering is also is coming in demand, because nowadays environmental engineers are more and more required, since the impact of environment, since the impact of pollution is affecting our daily day-to-day life. So now the requirement for the environmental engineer is also increasing, right? So you can also, this is like in the next coming 5 to 10 years, this is going to be a very hot branch for our civil engineers. Moving on, IIT Kharagpur. So IIT Kharagpur has structure engineering. You can see, you will find a similar trend in all the IITs. Okay, this is like the descending order of what are the exposure in the industry that you are getting, right? What are the average packages? These are the ascending order. Best is the IIT Bombay. Okay, then we have IIT Delhi, and thereafter, right? So these are the data for your IIT Kharagpur, all right? And then IIT Madras. IIT Madras also offers very good placements in structure engineering. That is why the cutoff goes to about 835. The construction materials, construction engineering management 820. Then you comes geotechnical 798, transportation 771. Then you will find environment 750. Okay, water resource 719, and thereafter ocean engineering, okay, 704, like that. All right. Now, talking about electronics, electrical and instrumentation engineering. So this is the order of preference. Okay, over here in this field also, IIC Bangalore provides the best opportunities for job as well as for research. Okay, IIC Bangalore, the seats in the IIC Bangalore are filled first as compared to the other. All right. Okay, so over here I am only taking the core branches. Interdisciplinaries are not taken until and unless needed. Okay, so for first specialization microelectronics, which is offered in IIC Bangalore for EC, you can see only the top rankers you get the IIC Bangalore, only the top rankers. Okay, it ends at 972 itself. Okay, and instrumentation also very high ranks are required to get into this. For other general as well as OBC, SC, ST, all this, they require very high ranks. Okay, and these are for electrical engineering, your system science and automation. Okay, your signal processing. Okay, these are the cutoffs, respective cutoffs. Okay, these are the respective cutoffs. You can take a screenshot if you want. Okay, very high cutoffs are there for IIC Bangalore. Very high cutoffs are there. And for instrumentation engineering, if you want to go into core instrumentation engineering, okay, these are the cutoffs, respective cutoffs, everyone. So we do not have the latest data, guys. That is why I am taking 2019 data. All right. So electrical, if you go to IIT Bombay, in IIT Bombay electrical engineering, these are the courses which are offered. Okay, These are the courses which are offered: microelectronics, electronic systems, communication and signal processing, power electronics and power systems, control and computing, integrated circuits, and solid state devices. And these are the respective cutoffs. The placement records in IIT Bombay are also very good. Okay, very good reputed companies come to IIT Bombay as well for recruitment, and they offer very nice packages as well. So for placement wise, you can also offer for IIT Bombay, and IIT Delhi also is equally good. Okay, the only reason that student may go to IIT Delhi is if they want to go for other further preparation also. Okay, and yes, the placements are obviously good. Okay, and these are the cutoffs for the different branches. Okay, moving on. And these are for IIT Madras. Okay, if there is a student who is from Chennai, okay, so IIT Madras may be a better option for him. IIT Madras may be a better option for him if he is from a region from South India, right? So moving on. And these are the records for IIT Kharagpur. These are the records for IIT Kharagpur, guys. Yes, for civil, your placements are, if you are really interested into a particular field, then only you can opt for M.Tech. Okay, otherwise I would say that M.Tech does not offer you very attractive packages until unless you want to go into you want to practice suppose you want to start with a private consultancy of your own. Okay, you want to do private work of your own, that in that particular case also M.Tech is very useful for you. And these are the records for IIT Kharagpur. Okay, you can take a screenshot, whatever you may find useful. Okay, and coming on to the mechanical engineering, so the trend is almost same for mechanical and civil. Okay, and this is the preference, this is the order of preference, and these are the cutoff data. So for mechanical engineering in IIC Bangalore, the cutoff is quite high. The cutoff is quite high. And for material science also, if you want to opt for material science, if you go into material science department, then also the cutoff is quite high. And for IIT Bombay, they offer you thermal fluid engineering, design engineering, manufacturing engineering, and these are the respective cutoffs. Okay, they offer very good placements as well. Next, IIT Delhi mechanical design, industrial engineering, production engineering, thermal engineering. Okay, they are requiring a cutoff of this as provided by IIT Delhi and a minimum CGPA of 7.5. All right. All right. So if your expected score is 695 to 715, in that case I hope that I think you may go for NITs, right? You will get some of the good NITs. Okay, and you can opt for those NITs, and if you are interested in a job, still you can get if you can work hard over there, you can get a job, good job, and you can also prepare side by side for GATE again, right? You can write GATE next year. Okay, and you can also come again for IITs also. You can opt for IITs next year. And these are the records for IIT Kharagpur, and these are the branches which are offered in mechanical and material science as well. And these are the records for IIT Kharagpur, guys, further. So these are all the data that we have collected. Okay, and I have presented to you. Okay, so you are having a marks around 33, and you are so if you can prepare once, you can draw for 1 year, and you can do better, then it is going to be even more beneficial for you. Instead of settling at whatever you are getting, Why don't you just do a little bit of hard work and get what you want? Okay, so I will request you to do some hard work and try to get what you want, unless rather than just settling for what you can get, right? So do subscribe to the channel, everyone, and click on the like button and share the session, everyone. And thank you, everyone. So yes, placement in structure engineering. Placement in structure engineering in IIT Bombay is very good. Okay, so it is considered to be the best in India. Yes, I have told you that what is going to be the average package, right? Okay, so I cannot tell you for sure that whether you will get or not. Okay, so you can try, maybe you can get. Okay, maybe you can get. Apurv. Neil, it depends upon your preference. Okay, if you are getting abroad, if you are getting a good college abroad, then you can also go out abroad. Okay, Germany, because over there you will get better packages also, right? And better opportunities also you will get over there for mechanical engineering. Although old IITs also offer, there also comes very good companies which may send you abroad later on. Okay, so it is up to you that if you are getting an opportunity abroad right now and you want to go abroad, then you can opt for it, no issue. For structure engineering, minimum score for IITs, for top IITs, I would say if you want to opt for top IITs, minimum I would be 800. All right, so that's all, everyone. Thank you, goodbye, and see you in the next session, guys. Bye, everyone. Take care.